Hello. So I just ordered this CatEye RapidMini rear light for my bike. I did another review on the Amp 500 by CatEye. I don't really do many of these types of videos, but I figured since I couldn't find anything to sort of show off what it was in video, since these are fairly new, I guess, that I would just put a video up in case anybody was interested in seeing that. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's a really small light. That said, I've already turned it on in the package, and it's extremely bright, like incredibly bright. I'm actually really surprised by how bright it is. And yeah, I mean, just like the other light, I'm really looking forward to getting these on the bike. They're a lot better than some of the other stuff that I've tried with Bontrager. Not to knock on them, but I guess I just did. Oh well. In fairness, I'm talking about their cheaper lights. This one is it's a little bit more expensive than some of the $15 lights I've used. So I guess this is a clip in here. Let's see, what is this? It looks like a band and part of a clip. And then we've got the charging cable, and not sure how this light is wedged in here. I might have to rip this to get it out. Yeah, that seems like a thing. Okay. So yeah, there's that. It's got this little clip piece here. That just goes in. Oh, I got it backwards. So there's a clip. Anyway, I'll probably have to read the manual to figure out how this goes in. This might be the seat clip that came with the that physics system that I've read about. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anywho, oh yeah, so this just goes in here, and then I guess the band goes around the seat post like that, so it'll clip to the other side of the seat post. Cool. Yeah, anyway, that's the new CatEye RapidMini.